So now that you've got your proper track alignment, let's get started on a ski alignment. What I like to use is a nice big long straight edge. Not sure where you can get one. I mean, I got this from the metal supermarket, but I do use it for welding. Well, it works good for this, so you want to take it, place it along the snowmobile, along the track. Any side is okay, left, right, doesn't matter. So for starters, to do a ski alignment, you got to straighten, center your handlebars. So to do that, you need a tape measure. Find a nice solid spot on your sled that's the same on both sides to measure from. We're going to measure to the center of the handlebars. So let's start at this side at 46.5, let's say. We're going to go back to this side. I'm going to use the same hole on both sides. So this one's 46, so we're going to tweak it a bit, about 1/4 inch, 46.25. Back to the other side. This is fairly time consuming, but trust me, when you get it right, it just makes your riding better. Okay, 46.25 it is. So now our handlebars are centered to the tunnel. So now we're gonna make sure that our straight edge is tight to the lugs on the track, front and back. So our straight edge is tight to the track. We're going to measure at the back of the ski. So I got, say, 11.75. I'm going to go to the front of the ski, and I got 12 inches. I could tighten it up a little bit and go with an 8. I like it a little tighter. So then I'm going to go back to this ski, the opposite ski. We're going to measure to the outside. We got 27.5. We're going to measure this ski at the front of the ski instead of the back. We got 27.75, so another 1/4. So we got a 1/2 inch of toe out, which is probably a little too much. So I've measured on this sled, it's got almost a 1/2 inch of toe out. I would like it a little tighter, maybe more like a 1/4 inch. I believe the book calls for 1/4 inch, your manual. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tighten up the linkages a little bit to pull the back, to push the back of the ski out and pull the front of the skis in a little. So you gotta take these boots off on this cat in order to get to the adjusting nuts on your steering rods, which are, this is going to make this a little harder, but it can be done. There and on the outside. So one's left-hand thread, one's right-hand thread. So we're going to loosen that off a bit. We're going to loosen the inside one off, if I can get at it. You can see that, and then we're going to turn this because we want the front of the ski to come in. Okay, when you adjust this and watch the ski move, we don't need to go far. 11.75. Front of the ski, 11.5. So we went way too far. Every time you make a ski adjustment, you have to check your handlebars to make sure they are straight. That's where some people kind of miss out. So there we got 11.5/8. Front ski, 11.75. I'm happy with that. So I got an 1/8 of an inch here. I'm going to put an 1/8 of an inch toe out on the other side, and that is going to be perfect. One thing to remember, everybody, you can't do a proper ski alignment without a track alignment. So if you've missed the track alignment video, go back and click on the track alignment video and give it a watch.